Microsoft Azure is one of the fastest growing cloud service providers around, with 95% of Fortune 500 companies trusting the platform with their business. That's why companies across industries are looking to hire developers with Azure expertise, as Azure-related job growth is projected to hit almost 40% over the next decade. With Udacity's Cloud DevOps using Microsoft Azure Nanodegree program, you too can learn the skills you need to be in demand. In this program, you'll develop the comprehensive knowledge and professional level skills you need to streamline the deployment of cloud-based applications on Azure. You will then demonstrate your practical mastery of these skills in a series of 3 projects, where you'll use Azure tools to create a reusable template for deploying custom web applications, build a continuous delivery pipeline that deploys a Flask machine learning application, and create disposable test environments to monitor application performance on the cloud. Experience matters. Our Udacity instructors cumulatively have more than 10 years of real-world experience facilitating the deployment of applications on Azure. Upon completion of the Cloud DevOps using Microsoft Azure Nanodegree program, you will be well prepared to take the Microsoft AZ400 certification exam, proving your proficiency at designing and implementing Microsoft DevOps solutions. Fast-track your career with the power of Microsoft Azure. Become an Azure Cloud DevOps engineer today.